Hi everybody, from a rainy day in the northwest of England. Short video for you today on a new subscription box. It's slightly different. It's a candle and wax melt subscription box. Here it is. It's just arrived from the Lonely Broomstick in Scotland. So let me show you their website so you can see what it's about. Okay, here we are on the Lonely Broomstick's website. It's called Wizarding Wicks subscription, $17.99, which includes postage. You can either have a one-time purchase or you can subscribe and save and get delivery every month with 10% off, which is a very cool thing to have. I've just got a one-off for now, just to see if I like it. I don't doubt that I will actually. I blinking love their wax melts. I have bought many of them in the past. And a couple of weeks ago I went to place an order and they had none in stock. And so when I sent an email to them inquiring, Leslie, the owner, kindly came back and said, yeah, we are sorting it all out and more will, come up soon. And then I spotted this. So I thought, oh, well, by hook or by crook, I'm going to get some. So here we are. I'm excited to see what this first month is going to be. This is the August box that I have here. And yeah, so here we are. They're all handmade locally in Scotland. And I mean, these are, gosh, look at that. That is super beautiful. I will not be at all unhappy to get something like that to put on my herbology shelf. All right, then, let's get opening. Okay, the packaging is off, and this is what I'm looking at. Hufflepuff colours. So let's open the string and see what's inside. I'll be saving the string for future projects. As you know, I make a lot of potions and other random stuff on this channel, so I never throw anything away, and I'll certainly be keeping the paper as well. Okay, you might remember that I had a couple of not subscription boxes, mystery boxes from them. They both had candles in. I opened them up here on the channel so you can have a look at them if you want to. Both the candles were amazing, smelled really good. And in fact, it was those mystery boxes that got me into their wax melts and their buttery beer syrup for making butterbeer. Okay, wow. All right then, we have got plenty of packaging in here. Okay, I'm really excited. Okay, let me show you what I can see. Check it out. All right, so I'm seeing butterbeer, which is just wonderful. I had so hoped that that's what it was going to be. There's a little card in here. For that, I'm going to need my clever specs. Okay, hang on. All right then, first and foremost, thank you for purchasing our very first Wizarding Wicks. We're excited to share that we have plenty in store for this brand new product which we launched just a month ago. We hope you'll stick around to discover all the magical scented goodies we have planned for you. As a token of our appreciation, we've included not only the promised magical candle and wax melt, but also a beautiful reed diffuser as a gift from us to you. Thank you for supporting small businesses. Oh, okay, well, that's more than I could have ever asked for. Thank you so much. So let's have a look. I will show you all of this close up, obviously, at the end. So first of all, we've got a love potion. Can you see that? It doesn't want to focus because of my stupid face. Honestly, I need a new camera. Oh, I almost had it. Okay, I will show you close ups. Oh, it smells sweet, like I want to eat it rather than burn it, which I'm glad of because I'm not that keen on florally things, but that is, wow. Okay, so I'm assuming this is going to be, there we go, a candle. Oh my God, look at the box though. House sorting. And there's a bunch of writing on the front. Color changing candle, shut up. Okay. I'm super thrilled with this. Oh wow, look at that. Hogwarts. Wow. Okay, so back on with the specs while I just tell you what that says. Brave Gryffindor, wise Ravenclaw, loyal Hufflepuff, ambitious Slytherin, discover your house. Okay, so presumably when one burns this... Oh, that's nice. It's like, I don't know, it's plain top. It kind of reminds me a bit of, I don't know, I don't want to say because honestly I'll mess it up. Look, even on the bottom there's a little bit of decoration. All right, let's see what it says. Oh, English pear and freesia. There we go. It does smell fruity, actually. It smells more fruity than floral. And then this is what I was seeing. Buttery beer. So here we go. Magical reed diffuser. I love these things. That is such a nice box too. I will keep the box. Actually, Inigo will be in it in about 3 seconds. Not this one, obviously. When he was a tiny kitten, maybe, but not now. How does one get into this without destroying the box? Please hold. Okay, I've got it out of the box. It's a lot smaller than I expected compared to the actual size of the box, but it does have a lot of these things inside to protect it, which I guess it would need to because, you know, it's traveling from Scotland down to the northwest of England, all over the world. So here it is. It's super cute. It looks like almost like a little whiskey bottle or a potion bottle. Let me just put it in front of the box so that you can see it more clearly. Is that better? Yeah, that's better. Look at that. That is adorable in every way. Okay, I've got to... Oh, I don't want to... See, it's got a wax seal on the top and I don't want to break it, but I'm going to have to be able to smell it. Okay, I'm doing it. Oh, okay, I feel bad about doing that. Right, let's have a sniff. Oh my god, that's pure butterbeer. That's butterscotch heaven. It helps if you like butterscotch, and it's one of my favourites for sure. And obviously it comes with the little sticks that go in it. So yeah, let's get down and have a closer look at all these items. Okay, so here we are close up with the wax melt love potion. Fall under the spell of our love potion's wax melt, scented with irresistible strawberry and cream. That explains it. It does smell deliciously fruity, and I can't wait to burn this. This is new, actually. This looks different than their old wax melts. Let me just get one of their old ones and I'll show you. So the old ones kind of came like a bar of chocolate, like this. This is beautiful, this one, blueberry vanilla. I hope they continue to do those. And it was kind of snap bar like chocolate, whereas this is much thicker. So, and I think these are more common. You tend to find, I see this all the time, whereas their other ones I thought were a bit more unique the way they used to do them. Anywho, never mind. So that's the wax melt. There's the little note from them if you want to pause the video to read that. How lovely. And then here's the candle, so check it out. That is fun, right? And on the box it says, colour changing candle, reveal whether you are a brave Gryffindor, wise Ravenclaw, loyal Hufflepuff or cunning Slytherin. As the candle burns, watch as it transforms into your house colour. Red for Gryffindor, blue for Ravenclaw, yellow for Hufflepuff or green for Slytherin. That is so cool, right? And what a lovely scent as well. And that was £15, or would have been, in the shop had you picked it up. Doesn't say what these are, but I think these used to be about £4.99 if I recall. And obviously we've got this beautiful little reed diffuser for free. So yeah, that's today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll be AFK for about a week now as I have a little holiday. Unfortunately not going to Scotland, otherwise I'd be heading straight for Falkirk to this shop, believe me. Okay then, that's it. Take care, stay safe everybody.